everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can download a Facebook video. If you're interested, just keep on watching. First step, open your Facebook account and find the video that you want to download. You can either press the watch icon at the bottom panel on your screen or search a particular video that you want to download. So here I'm just searching for a video that I want to download, and once you found it, just press the video and then click the share button at the bottom right corner of the video. Here, just press copy link, and then the next step is to open a web browser on your phone. For example, I opened Safari. Then on the search tab, simply search for Facebook video downloader and you'll see different results here. But you can use the same thing or the same site that I used. So here on the blank space, just paste the link that you copied earlier and then press download. You'll just have to wait for a few seconds for it to completely load. And once the green bar is completely loaded, just scroll down to choose what particular quality of the video you want to have on your phone. And just like that, when you press download, your video will be saved on your phone. So here, just click download, and then at the bottom panel of your screen, you'll see a download icon. So just press that, press downloads, and here is where you'll see the video you'll downloaded earlier. So again, just press the share icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, then press save video. And that's the end of this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.